Alright, it came out here for no air conditioning. The indoor unit's turning on. This is not. And this is overheated. Very, very hot. The fan's not working. So let's test the cap. Take this electric panel off. Dead. Compressor was starting off with a hard start kit. That's how that was turning on. Alright, that was 70 over 10 on my truck. So they are getting a turbo. These things are nice. I like these suckers. Alright, got my gauges hooked up, everything wired up. Let's turn it on, see what happens. Alright, I always like to pour a gallon of water down the drain line.